What exactly is Claude Code? Claude Code is an AI coding assistant. You describe a website to it in natural language, and it writes the code for you while you watch. We're using the Claude Code desktop app today because it gives you everything you need in one window with no extra developer setup. Before we build anything, I want to define what a $10,000 website actually looks like. So I asked Claude. There are 8 things that separate a $10,000 website from a $200 one. Point of view, typography, color, hierarchy, imagery, motion, mobile, and the invisible stuff that makes a site feel fast and finished. Those 8 items fall into 3 groups: taste, substance, and felt quality. We're hitting all 8 today. Here's why Claude Code can hit a $10,000 bar and why most no-code website builders can't. When you use a tool like Wix or Squarespace, you start with a template. And whatever you build ends up looking like every other site that started from that template. Claude Code doesn't work that way. It writes the code for your site from scratch based on what you describe, so you can get a completely custom result without ever having to learn to code yourself. On top of that, Claude can install design skills that level up everything it makes. You can drop in pre-made components from libraries online, the kind of things that used to require a real developer. And you can keep iterating with Claude on every detail until the site actually feels expensive.